Ever notice this little padlock in your browser's address bar? It's more than just an icon. It's a sign that your connection is secure. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. It's a security protocol that encrypts all the data sent between your browser and a website, keeping it private and safe from prying eyes. Why SSL is important? Without SSL, data transit over the internet is not secure. Hackers can intercept your sensitive information like passwords, credit card numbers, and personal details. That's why secure sites always use SSL. How SSL work? SSL works by creating an encrypted tunnel between your device and the website server. Before any information is exchanged, both sides agree on a unique set of encryption keys. These keys are like secret codes that lock and unlock your information, ensuring that no one else can read it while it's in transit. This is done through a process called the SSL handshake. Here's how the SSL handshake works in 3 simple steps. Your browser requests a secure connection from the website. The website responds by sending its SSL certificate, which proves its identity. Your browser and the website exchange encryption keys, and from that moment, all data is locked and secure. This entire process happens in just milliseconds, without you even noticing. SSL is your first line of defense online, but it's only part of good security habits. Always make sure the websites you use are secure, keep your password strong, and avoid sharing sensitive details over public Wi-Fi without protection. Stay safe, stay secure, and if you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tech tips.